Hello and welcome to our today's tutorial, how to use dailypoint. My name is Caroline and today I want to show you how to use dailypoint at your reservation department. But before we start, Michael Töth, our founder and CEO, will give you a short overview of dailypoint so you know what dailypoint is all about.
dailypoint consists of 5 steps. So the first step, we consolidate data. At the moment, we consolidate data from about 60 different data sources. But consolidating data is not enough. We have sophisticated data cleansing and merging processes in place, patented processes to really make sure that all the data we collect and come together is clean, is standardized, and we are able to really create a valuable central guest profile. And then, and that's the beauty of the thing, is we use artificial intelligence and machine learning to create value out of this huge amount of data we collect. So we enrich the guest profile and create interests automatically, fully automatically, to know exactly who your customers are without asking them. And on top, we provide all the modules you need to drive value out of your data. This means we have analytical tools, we have campaign management tools, marketing automation tools, guest questionnaires, everything you normally have with a lot of different vendors. You have everything in dailypoint.
But now let's go back to the beginning and let me show you how you can use dailypoint at your reservation department. First, you will get a new reservation in your system. Then there will be two opportunities. Either the reservation details come from your IBE, your booking engine on your website, or from your PMS, your property management system. As mentioned before, dailypoint consolidates all of your data sources. So if the guest books the room via your IBE and gets the confirmation automatically out of this system, nevertheless, all guest details will be transmitted into dailypoint with the daily data query. So all the booking details are centralized in the individual guest profile. But you have to remember this, that if you use the IBE, you have double content. So you have to change the details in two places. So it's easier if you just use the dailypoint booking manager and send your confirmations or your offers out of this system. So now let's go into the system and let me show you how you can use dailypoint at your reservation department. Here you can see an overview of all the modules you can use, but we just go to the booking manager. And when you work with the booking manager, and you enter the reservation details manual into your PMS, this information will be automatically transferred into dailypoint. So now we open the booking manager, we click here on booking manager, reservation, and then on active. And here we can see all the reservation details and guest informations we entered into the PMS and transferred to dailypoint. So here there are a few options, a lot of options you can use. One of them is, for example, when you have more than one offer you want to send your customer, you can use the merge option. So you just have to click here on these buttons and then on merge, and then all these offers are in one offer and you can send it to your guest. Then let's have a look at these buttons here. If you click on the button with the eye, you will get a quick overview of all the offer informations and details. And here on the button with the paper plane, you can send the offer right away to your guest. But you can also click here on this button, on the edit button, and we're going to do that now. So you can see here the editing area, and here on top you have another overview of all the customer offer details. And here's the thing, so here you can see the email subject and the email, which will be sent CC, and you have also the option to send the email in BC. So now let's go to the editing area. And here you can see the preset offer. So by the way, offers and confirmations are handled the same. So I will only show you the example with the offer today in this video. So now here you can click into your offer, and then you can add some text or everything you want. But you can also use these text blocks here on the right side. You also have just to click on it, and then you can insert them into the offer. You can also create new text blocks, by the way, here when you click on the Add Text button. And then you can also add files and attachments when you click here in this field, Files and Attachments. And if you want to create a PDF attachment out of the HTML offer, you just have to click here this button, and then the system creates one automatically, and you can add it to the communication. And after that, you're finished with your editing. You just have to click on the send button, and the offer is on the way to your guest. And if you want to know if the customer opened your offer, then you just have to go here on the Booking Manager area again and click on the Send field. And then you just have to check if there is the sign, the letter. And then when you go over it with your mouse, you will get a small information text, and you can see when your customer opened your offer or your confirmation. And of course, all the information is centralized and stored in the Guest Information Center of dailypoint. Here you can see the GIS of Michael Töd, and when you click here on the button on the marketing interaction area and on reservation, you can find all the information from the offer or the reservation. And in order you need more information about a specific module from dailypoint, you just can click on this question mark here in this upper right corner, and then you will come to the Help Center section. And here you just have to click on the button on the panel manual, and our manual will open. So here you can see a short video about dailypoint, or you have also here a search field where you can type a specific module into it and look for it, or you can also go here to the left side and look for a other module you want to have further information about it, for example the quality management or the event calendar or dashboard. So you see everything is here, and you will get your information here. So now you maybe will ask yourself, what is with the pre-stay and the post-stay and the constellations? Of course, you can send these communication types to your guests with dailypoint, but that's a different story. So for now, I hope the tutorial will help you, and thanks for your attention, and I hope we will hear us again at the next tutorial. Bye!